Health is wealth. I know that you are awesome and I am also fine. Life is full of problems to solve and lessons to learn, but most of them are experience to enjoy. Between yesterday's mistake and tomorrow's hope, there is a fantastic opportunity, and that we know as a today itself. So love it, live it, and the day is your all. A very warm good morning to one of present over here. Myself Gayatri Devte. I am pursuing Bachelor's of Science from Bajaj College of Science. Even I am a part of the Persistent. Today I am here to share my journey and my experience about Persistent. Dream does not become a reality through magics. It depends on all determination, hard work, efforts and all that things. Once you have commitment to do one particular thing, then you require is a discipline and hard work to get you on that position. So we know that there is no secrets of success. It just depends on the result of preparation, hard work and learning from a failure. We know that English play a very crucial role and important role in our day-to-day life. It's just like a bridge that connects nations, peoples and countries with each other. And we don't think about the success without this language in our future career. When I talk about my personal experience, I can say that I am having a rich and great experience in developing myself in Persistent. So English was taught, or it was my language, I can say, from the last 12 years. After that 4 to 4.5 years, I was not in that surrounding, means not that much connected to the regular activities which were held in a school time and which I used to participate. So I felt that I should be in touch with this language and skill. I usually write the things and taught, but the main purpose of joining this class was my personality development. So I joined the Haven, and you know that it's Persistent. I still remember my first day, and both of the sir, Apsar sir and Parvesh sir, had changed us from a basic grammar to overall development. They taught us with full dedication, determination, supports, and the main thing was their 100%. You should even give your 100% to achieve something in your life, because the main purpose of yourself in this life is to achieve something and give your whole heart and soul to that particular thing. No progress, no struggle, then no success. Because success is sweet, but the secret behind it is a sweat. So you have to do it. Participation must be there in every activities. There are a lot of the activities which are conducted in the class. So your participation should be there. Participations come always first and winning comes always second. So unless you will participate, you can't win. So do your every task with your 100% and automatic the success will follow you. Don't think much more about the fee structure, as I think that time is more valuable than the fees or money, we can say as. So giving your precious time for one particular thing means that it means that a way of a success. So we have to compromise some of the things with a situation. So we have to do it. Fear does not exist anywhere except in your mind. I am repeating it. Fear does not exist anywhere except from your mind. So come out of your comfort zone and never ever give up. Never ever give up. As I think that you should do every task with your ability and beyond. Don't let your fear of failure stop you from realizing your dreams. In last, I would like to say full stop to my words and thank you to both of the sir and my batchmates for their supports, guidance, efforts, determination and all that things. One more fact that I would like to share with you all guys is that if somebody asks you that how much your life is tough, then see at them and reply to them that I am more tougher than this, because you just get only one life. So utilize it in a positive way and don't lose your hope. Nothing is more expensive than the missing the opportunity. So don't miss any of the opportunity that you have get now, because missing the opportunity by your own means that you can't do anything in your life. So grab the opportunity and do your task. I am the life example in front of you. If I can do it, so why can't you? You can do anything. You can be anything. Just the thing is to believe yourself. So believe it and work so hard that you can hit any of the jackpot. The result you will get will be directly proportional to the efforts you have put. So if you focus on the result, you will never change. If you focus on the change, you will get a result automatically. So think by your mind and take care of your mind, then your body will thanks you. And take care of your body, then your mind will thanks you. So dream big, be positive, work hard and enjoy your journey, as I enjoy my journey a lot. Have a great day. In last, I would like to say thank you to listening me very patiently and giving your precious time for me. Have a bright future. Thank you.